What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is your second, third, fourth, fifth time, welcome back. Today we will be discussing the Cameo Plus cutter from Silhouette. Last time I did a video on its unboxing. This time we'll be actually using the cutter to see what type of cutter it is and whether or not I can actually weed vinyl. So there were some mistakes. Let's go ahead and get into it right after this intro. Alright, so I have loaded in the vinyl and I have the auto cutter in, and I've set everything up. And this is the first cut with the Cameo Plus. We shall see how it does. Alright, first cut is complete. Let's take a look. Yep, you can faintly see it. You probably can't see it on there. Alright, so it came out pretty well. Better than the last time. The last time I did it wrong on the cutter. I had it upside down. And as you can see, when I went to weed it, there was nothing to weed because I had cut it upside down. I had the vinyl upside down in the cutter, so don't make the same mistake I did. Put your vinyl in your cutter appropriately and it will weed fine. It's shiny side down, for those of you that don't want to end up like this. Shiny side down. Alright, so that is my first cut. Well, no, second cut. First actual weed in the books. Where you're supposed to weed it out. So that's what it looks like cut up. Actually, let me turn this light off so you can see it even better. I think we did good. First few cuts and prints, and let me just lay them all out. Alright, so we have two back tag prints for like the top neck area, a chest print, and then we have a neck label print that actually came out pretty well considering. So all of those done with the brand new cutter, Silhouette Cameo Plus. Alright, everybody, that does it for this video. Lessons learned. Put your vinyl shiny side down on the cutter so that you don't end up with the cutter cutting the non-vinyl side like you see here, so you can get a good image to come out like this when you cut your vinyl. I hope that you learned a very valuable lesson today. If you have any comments or questions or anything like that, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Until the next time, keep moving with time and time. Have a wonderful day.